Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a summer try-on haul. I went and accumulated quite a bit of clothes over the past couple of weeks. I got some shoes. I'm going to be showing clothes from Charlotte Russe, Forever 21, and Boohoo. I always love shopping on Boohoo because I love taking advantage of their 50% off deals. Or sometimes it's 50, sometimes it's 40, sometimes it's 60. Now let's just dive right in. So first, from Charlotte Russe, I just got like 4 things. So the first thing I got is this white bodysuit. It's just like a V-neck. I just needed something basic. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it is see-through, and I don't like wearing like tank tops under like see-through things. Like, I just want to wear a bra and just leave it at that. But it was cute and it was cheap, so whatever. Next thing I got from Charlotte Russe is this over-the-shoulder shirt. It's just gray with red and blue and white stripes on it. It's really cute. I love shirts like this because they make my boobs look good. But it's a crop top, but not quite too cropped. It's like you could wear this for several different occasions. It has a little tie at the end. And yep, I don't have price tags on a lot of these anymore because I've already worn them, but I'm pretty sure this was like $16. Is it worth $16? No, but my dad bought these, so whatever. But yeah, it's cute. Next thing I got from Charlotte Russe is this black skirt. This was on clearance, so I literally had to snatch it up. It's just like a off black color, and it's distressed in certain areas, like right there and right here. It's also frayed at the bottom. This is an extra small. I don't usually wear extra small, but like I'm trying to lose weight, so like I can fit it. It's just that like once I lose my little bit of weight, I'll be for real able to fit it. And it was only $10, so I had to get it. I tried on the small, but I didn't like how it fit because it was like kind of, I don't know, it just fit awkward, not like a skirt should fit, but yeah. The thing from Charlotte Russe that I got is this checkered skirt. I love this print. You could wear this. I'm a like black and white type of girl. Like, I really don't like wearing color. But this skirt was really cute, and it goes along with like my style. It just has like this little ring in the middle, and it zips down. Zip it back up. It's a small, but it fits. It's kind of high-waisted, which I like. And then it's a good length too. This was $21.99. On to Steve Madden. I just got these, y'all. Okay, let me tell y'all about this. Literally, the shoes that I got from Steve Madden, I've had my eye on for a while. I've seen them at like several different stores. Well, they're a little bit different from like what I've seen at other stores, but like I just wanted some espadrilles like really bad because they're cute and they're cute for summer, and I just wanted to try them. I saw some at Target. They're sold out. I saw some, where did I see some? Oh, on Boohoo. Boohoo would always be sold out of them whenever I could get them, so luckily my dad came in and saved the day because I love these shoes. But they are just these black espadrilles. They have like that fancy little design at the bottom, and then just like the cork, and then it has 2 black straps, then it straps up again at the top. I got these from the Steve Madden outlet. They were originally like $89.99 or something like that, and then but they were having like a deal with all their outlet stores. It was like little scratch off and see how much you get for a certain percentage. So I got 30% off. So 30% off of that, I got these for like 60 something. But yeah, they're really cute. I've been wearing them a lot so far. I love them. So, yep. Now on to Boohoo. I love Boohoo, you guys. Like I said earlier, they always have deals, which is pretty great. The only thing that I don't like is that sometimes it's really hard to, like, I don't know, sometimes their sizing could be like a little bit off, like, and I have boobs, so like a lot of their stuff doesn't fit my chest area, which is really annoying. So I don't know, you just kind of have to like be careful with what you decide to buy off of there. But yeah, anyways, I got these shorts. They're just black shorts, and I've had these before. I just had to get some new ones because my last pair don't fit anymore because I lost weight. But even these are a little bit small, which are a little bit big, which I'm really surprised at. These are a size US 4. I kind of think I might need a US 2, but I think I'm just gonna get them altered to be able to fit me. They're kind of big, like around the waist, but like, I don't know, they're just kind of big. But yeah, they're just black distressed shorts. They're really cute. They're kind of at an awkward length. Like I would like if they were shorter. But you know what, it's fine, it's whatever. They go with a lot of different things, so I'm really glad that I got these. Next thing I got is this camo shirt. I love yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, so I had to get it. It's yellow, orange, and like this brownish color, and black. Camo's really in, so I just had to get it. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it's like this awkward length. Like, it's not cropped, but it's not cropped. It's like, I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, I like it. The material's really nice, surprisingly. Yeah, but I mean, I like it. It's cute. This would have been cute. So yeah. This was, I believe, like $10. It was originally 20 and I got it for 10. Either it was originally 20 and I got it for 10, or it was originally 16 and I got it for 8. I don't know. Next, I got this camo skirt. Like I said, camo is in, but I've always like had a thing for camo. Like, I don't know, it's cute. But I really like this skirt. I feel like it could literally go with so many different things. It just has this zipper and it zips down the middle. And it's a really nice length. It's frayed at the ends. And yeah, this was in a size 4, which is the correct size. I really like the material. It's like a denim material, but it's not too heavy, if that makes sense. Yeah, I like the skirt, and I feel like I'll be able to pair this with a lot of things. Also, I like it because not only will I be able to wear it in the summer, but I could wear it in the fall, the winter, whenever I want to. So I don't know how much that was. Next, I got these striped shorts from Boohoo, of course. They're just black or white with black stripes. They're really cute. They're kind of see-through, so like if you ever like wear these, you definitely have to wear like black underwear under them. These were originally 20 and I got these for 10. Yeah, and I feel like these could go with like a lot of different things. I just got like a lot of black and white stuff just because it's easy to pair with other things, so. Okay, this is the one thing that I'm like high-key disappointed in. I got this black lace bodysuit and it's really cute. The only thing is there's literally no support, first of all. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know, like, it's just so hard to like have boobs and like try to find things that could fit you, because this is why I hate having big boobs. It's literally a nightmare. But they don't support at all, which I kind of figured that, but I don't know. It just didn't support my boobs at all. So like this doesn't really fit. I definitely have to send this back. But I mean, it's a cute concept. Either I'm gonna send this back or I'm just gonna get double-sided tape. But yeah, it's cute or whatever. I feel like this could go with a lot of different things. I was gonna wear this out once, but I didn't like how it looked and I didn't have time to get tape. But I think I might just try to make do with what I have. This was, I'm pretty sure this was like, I don't know how much it was, but I did get this in a size 6. I kind of wish I would have got a size 4, but the only reason I got a size 6 was so it could fit up here, but it didn't even fit, so I was like, but I'll make do with it. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this, but it's this cheetah dress. I'm in love with it. I love leopard. Like, if a print could describe me, it would be leopard and cheetah print, like, period. But it's just this leopard dress. It's really cute. Yes, it's just a bodycon. Kind of going back to the bodysuit, this also doesn't really fit me at the top, but it's not as like noticeable as it would be in the bodysuit. I just have to get tape to be able to like hold it up or whatever. But yeah, it's really cute. I feel like I wore this to go out to the club, but like I feel like you could wear this, like you could dress it up or dress it down. So that's what I'm looking forward to with this dress. I really like it. I'm pretty sure this was only $8. It was originally $16, I believe. Yeah, it's really cute and I love it. The thing that I got from Boohoo was just this t-shirt. Literally, it's the most simplest thing ever and it says XOXO. I love t-shirts because you can literally dress it up or dress it down with anything. I just said that a lot. Drinking game, take a shot anytime I say dress it up or dress it down. LOL. But yeah, you could wear it with anything. It was like $10. I really like this shirt. And then last thing that I got from Boohoo, this is literally my favorite thing that I got. But it's just this chain skirt. It's black, it's frayed at the bottom, and then it has like chains looping from the top to the bottom. Then it just is dangling. This is so me. Like, this is so me. Like, this is so me. And that's really all I can say about the skirt. I got this in a size 4. It fits perfectly. It is short, like super short. Like if I was to wear it and bend over, like you would see my ass, but like it's still really cute. Like I could pair this with like so many different things. Like just like the dress, like you could really dress this up or dress it down, and I really like it. This is my favorite purchase. It was originally $40, but I got it for $20. They also had one that was regular blue denim, and I really want that one too. But yes, this is one of my favorite purchases and I love it. So that was all for Boohoo. I got one thing from Forever 21. Literally, like my dad took me to the mall, and like I just hate shopping at Forever 21 because it's literally like I can't find anything because everything is every freaking where. Like it's impossible to shop in Forever 21, I swear. But it is, and this is one of my favorite things. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this, but it's just this over the shoulder denim dress. It buttons down all the way to the end, and I really like it. It fits like a dream. It's literally perfect. Like there's not one thing wrong with this dress. I got it in a size medium, and yeah, I really like it. That's really all I have to say about it. It was like $24, I believe. But yeah, like just like most of the other stuff that I got, you could dress it up or dress it down. I can also wear this in the summer and the winter. Like I imagine like this dress with maybe like either some really sheer tights or like some fishnet tights with some like really cute boots. But yeah, so I really like this dress. Alright you guys, that was all for my summer try on haul. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you can, like, subscribe, and comment. Subscribe, please. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.